Alright, so it's springtime. You waited all winter to cut your grass. It's springtime. Grass is nice and green and thick and high. Look over at your neighbor's yard. It's all nice and cut. Your yard looks like crap. You go start up the old trusty Husqvarna all-wheel drive mower, and it won't start. It won't start for anything. So here's what you do to fix it. Show you how to get that lawnmower started up in the springtime. Number one, you want to remove any gas that's in your mower. Number one. And the best way to do that is to go down here to your gas line. See if we can see it here. This right here. Follow your gas line. Make sure your fuel shut off is on. And you want to remove this ring right here and move it down the gas line. Take this gas line off. Let all your gas drain out. All the old gas. After you do that, you want to take your filter off and get you some starter fluid. Like I have here. I have an old can. Have to use this every spring. And you want to go underneath your carburetor to the bowl, which is right here. You want to take this nut off, take this screw out, and drain the gas out of this bowl. Once you drain the gas out of this bowl, put the screw back in. That's a 10mm wrench, fit this one. Put it back on. You have an empty bowl, and you purged your old gas out through the gas line. Put new gas in it. Turn your fuel line back on. Get you some starter spray. And right in here, you want to spray it in that hole right there. I like to reach around the back here and open that up. There's a lever back here in here that you can open that valve up with, just like that. Let's see if I can show you it's open. See, it's open. And then give it a good squirt, about a 5-second squirt with that open, and let go of that, and then go up here and try to start it. It should fire up. It may cut off, but you gotta let that bowl fill back up with good gas. And let's see if it'll fire up. I'll try to do this while holding the phone. Be hard to do. Let's see if it'll fire up. And that is how you get your mower running in the springtime. What happens is the gas that you had in there last summer sit there all year, got condensation in it from the winter time, you know, ice and snow and all that. You know, all that water gets in there and makes the gas no good anymore. Plus, old gas isn't no good anyway. And you also got your winter and summer gas. I may have winter gas in there from last fall, and it doesn't combust when it's hot outside like summer gas does. And you can look that up. That's a true thing. I hope that helps you get your mower started. And if it does, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.